Namaste, I am Dr. Shreya, Yoga and Naturopathy physician. All of you very well know that every electrical circuit is grounded or earthing is done in order to stabilize or prevent short circuits in power supply. Same way, when earthing or grounding is done with human body, a sense of stability or balance is brought in health. So what is this earthing or grounding? That is being in touch with the earth or ground, either in the form of barefoot walking or just being in touch with the soil, grass or mud with our bare hands and feet, or being in water bodies, that is swimming or just being ourselves in natural water bodies like ponds, lakes, sea is also a form of grounding. Earlier people were in touch with the ground. They used to sit on floor and eat food. They used to sleep on the floor. In one or the other way they were in touch with the earth, and in fact they were healthy. Now because of modern lifestyle we have become highly disconnected from the earth. We sit on dining chair and eat food. We sleep in bed and homes which is off the ground, and we hardly spend time in nature, making ourselves prone for many diseases. This earthing or grounding has enormous health benefits. In fact, there are many evidences to show the health benefits of this earthing or grounding. So let's discuss some of the health benefits of this earthing. Our palms and soles have reflex areas or zones which represents our vital organs in the body. So either by barefoot walking or just by grounding, these points are stimulated, keeping our vital organs in balance and in health. And our earth is a huge source of negatively charged electrons. So whenever we come in touch with the ground, these negatively charged electrons are absorbed through the skin and enters our body and acts as antioxidants. So what is the role of antioxidant? That is to neutralize the free radicals. So when the negatively charged electrons from the ground enters our body, they tend to neutralize the free radicals. Again, because of wrong food habits, lack of physical activity, because of lots of stress, our body tends to produce lots of positively charged free radicals. So these electrons neutralizes these free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting us from inflammatory diseases or lifestyle diseases. This barefoot walking or grounding also improves our sleep. It improves our quality of sleep, inducing deep sleep. Not only that, it also grounding or barefoot walking also helps to reduce our stress, anxiety, depression. Along with that, it also makes us strong or grounded to handle the stressful situation in a better way. It improves our immunity. It makes our muscles and bones strong, and studies have shown that the barefoot walking is good for cardiovascular patient. That is, it reduces the viscosity or thickness of the blood, which is one of the cause for cardiovascular diseases. You might have seen most of the cardiac patients, they are put on with blood thinners in the form of medicine. This grounding or earthing acts as natural blood thinner, thereby protecting our cardiac health. This earthing or grounding is very good for women having menstrual issues. So women has to go for barefoot walking at least 15 to 20 minutes every day in order to solve their menstrual issues. That is, this barefoot walking helps to balance their hormones and solving their menstrual issues. So this barefoot walking or grounding is not just good for teenagers, adults or elderly people. It is also very good for kids. So allow your kids to play in mud. It improves their immunity, strengthens their muscles and bones. Not only that, it develops their creativity and also helps them to understand the environment in which they are living, and also makes them strong to adjust with the environmental changes. So knowing these benefits of earthing or grounding, spend time at least for 15 to 20 minutes every day to get maximum health benefits. So let us all get connected with Mother Earth to be healthy. Thank you.